Self-adhesive labels are used in a wide range of industries, from health and beauty, food, beverage, wine and spirits, to pharma, durables and chemicals. Now, all these different industries and end-use applications have different requirements, so there's no one-size-fits-all technology. Let's take a closer look at self-adhesive labels for the wine and spirits industry. In the wine and spirits business, it's all about selling the good life. Being by far the most challenging to print, nothing oozes more luxury than natural textured labels. And wouldn't it be nice if you could just use them without having to apply a primer? To continue the theme of luxury, you'd be using high-quality photorealistic images. And you'd also need a resolution of, say, 1200 dpi to be able to print the finest details and the smallest of prints. Galoshes, tagans, UV reflective details. With counterfeiting a growing issue, you'll definitely want to include as many brand protection features as you possibly can. Meeting all these requirements at once is a tall order, but it can be done. For sumptuous, inviting labels that show off high-quality photorealistic images and minute details, even on the most challenging of substrates without priming, and that are extremely hard to counterfeit, Xeikon recommends dry toner. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all technology, but we can advise you on the best fit for your applications.